Welcome. Tired of missing explosive breakouts or getting caught in fake moves? Stop the guesswork. Meet RangeXpert, your institutional-grade analysis tool for MetaTrader 5. This indicator delivers bank-level precision by identifying high-probability zones that lead to massive movements. It shows you exactly when a range ends and a real trend begins, reducing wrong decisions and perfecting your timing through dynamic volatility adjustment. RangeXpert makes complex market structures clear and intuitive. Watch now to see step-by-step how this powerful breakout tool works. To install RangeXpert, go directly to the market and enter RangeXpert into the search bar. Select the indicator and start the download by clicking the download button. Once downloaded, you will find RangeXpert in the navigator under the Market section within your indicators. RangeXpert is designed so that you can simply drag and drop it directly onto your chart. Since all the essential settings are already pre-selected for you, just click OK to confirm. The indicator starts immediately and displays all relevant zones and signals on your chart. The RangeXpert is a powerful tool and an advanced indicator with many features that successfully helped me now for years. It is perfect for you as a beginner or even a semi-professional, as all my experience is reflected in this indicator. You can use it automatically in any time frame and with any asset, as it optimizes the chart and shows you all the essential things. You have the option to look at green and red candles in the chart, which are important for recognizing the market dynamics of the price in each time frame. If a candle has no wick, there is a possibility of a further impulse following that pushes the price into the upper or lower range. This is very practical for you to know exactly how the market is currently developing. The indicator itself has a blue zone which represents your so-called stop-loss area. Ideally, you start your position right here when the price passes through the zone and you open a buy position. It is recommended to set a break-even after a certain price development to minimize your risk. As the price continues to move, you activate the trailing stop using the displayed number to help you set it precisely at any time. Often, when there is a good range, the market pushes forward again, which means strong buyers are in the market and a lot of momentum is coming in. Here it is recommended to place another buy order, while you can, of course, decide on the take profit and stop loss completely freely. This is an absolutely powerful tool and probably one of the best breakout systems you can currently find on the market. Also important is the trailing EMA, which is optimized to show you the trend progression precisely. If the price falls below the EMA, the trend is likely weakening, and you should close the order or take partial profits. If the color of the indicator is gray, it means there is currently not enough volume or pressure in the market. As soon as the market is volume-driven and strong again, which we measure in MetaTrader, the display changes to green. This indication gives you the necessary confidence to stay in the market and consistently follow through with your strategy. We built the RangeXpert intentionally simple so that you can change it to other time frames at any time. Here in the 1-minute chart, for example, you see a strong downtrend with high volume, which is why the indicator lights up green and shows you the ideal entry. In the RangeXpert settings, we have deliberately optimized many important functions in the background so you can focus on what matters most. You have the option to be notified immediately as soon as a new signal is generated. You can easily receive these alerts as push notifications on your phone or via email. Additionally, you can individually adjust the ATR value, which defines the different zones in the chart after a signal. The default settings are already optimized for all timeframes and assets, allowing you to start trading right away. If you wish, you can refine your strategy by manually adjusting values such as break-even or stop-loss. Feel free to experiment with different settings for the trailing stop or take profit to get a better feel for your trading behavior. Since we have already pre-configured everything optimally for you, nothing stands in the way of your successful start. You can easily remove RangeXpert from your chart at any time. Once you do this, all calculations and information will be completely deleted from the chart. If you have any questions about a product, please feel free to leave a comment on MQL5. If you like my products, you can support me with a review and feedback. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and become part of the Expert family, because we don't trade against each other, but successfully with each other.